Welcome to Anchored Kids, where hearts grow in His love.
Every day starts the same way for three friends, with laughter, with running, with the feeling that the whole world belongs to them. But some days, something happens, something small, something that feels too big to say out loud. Today is one of those days, and it starts with a sketchbook.
Does anyone know what happened to my sketchbook? Some of the pages came out.
I don't know. I didn't do anything. I was just sitting there.
Oh, okay.
Mira.
Good morning, good morning. Sit yourselves down. You know, I've been thinking about something this morning. About secrets. Has anyone here ever known something was wrong, but found it easier to say nothing? That's what we're going to talk about today. There was a man in Jericho. His name was Zacchaeus, and everybody in town knew his name, but not for good reasons. He collected taxes, and he took more than he should have. He knew it. They knew it. He had money and fine clothes, but inside he was carrying something very heavy. One day, Jesus was passing through Jericho. Everyone came out to see. But Zacchaeus was short. He couldn't see over the crowd. So what did he do? He climbed a tree. And Jesus stopped. He looked up at that little man sitting in that tree, and he said, "Zacchaeus, come down. I want to come to your house today." Not one of the good people, not the ones who had done everything right. Zacchaeus, the one nobody wanted to sit next to. And do you know what Zacchaeus did? He told the truth. He made things right, because grace has a way of doing that. What made Zacchaeus free wasn't that nobody knew. It was that he told the truth to the one person who already knew everything.
I broke Eli's sketchbook. I picked it up without asking and I broke it. And they said I didn't know what happened. But I did.
There's nothing you could tell God that would make him love you less. Not one thing.
to tell you something. It was me. I picked up your sketchbook and I was flipping through it too fast and the pages came out. I got scared, so I put it back and pretended I didn't know.
It's okay, Mira. Thank you for telling me.
I'm really sorry.
You can draw something in it if you want.
You are the weirdest, most wonderful person I have ever met, Eli.
And no.
The truth is never as heavy once you have said it out loud. And grace, real grace, does not wait for you to be perfect. It meets you right where you are. Just like it met Zacchaeus, just like it met Mira, just like it meets you. Next time on Anchored Kids, Eli has a gift nobody knows about, including him.